Are you ready? Are you ready to go camping?
Sure, yeah, sure.
Are you guys ready?
You want to go camping?
You want to go camping? You want to take the trailer and go camping? Where are we going to go? Where are we going, babe?
Lava.
All right, me and Boo just got done gassing up. Got this big old tank all. Where are we going again? Lava Hot Springs. Hell yeah, gonna hit up some Lava Hot Springs for the 4th of July. It's supposed to be warm, you know what I mean? But everybody's banning fireworks down here. Also, baby Tavyn's ears, you know what I mean? We didn't want him to be right under the fireworks. So we decided, in Lava Hot Springs, they do the fireworks on top of the mountain. So all the sound is a ways away from us. We got a campsite right on the river. It's gonna be a good time. Stay tuned.
Yep.
Stay tuned. So minor inconvenience. Minor inconvenience.
Minor inconvenience.
Minor inconvenience. Nothing crazy.
But we're gonna get it done.
We'll get it. Yay! So apparently, these guys that plug into here. You see that? It plugs into there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're supposed to unplug those before you pull away.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Did you know that, babe? Did you know you're supposed to unplug those? If you don't unplug them, then it rips all these wires out.
And then he's sitting there saying,
I never knew that.
I just pulled the...
Is this a hard lesson?
All right, you ready, baby?
We're ready.
Let's hit lava and do some river rafting. Let's have some fun. You guys ready?
Yeah!
All right. We got Peanut up here. Peanut and Micah.
Pick up order for some inner tubes for the river because our campsite backs the river, so I figured that'd be a fun pastime for the kids. And then we're about, I don't know, hour and a half, 2 hours away from lava, so shouldn't be too bad.
I haven't mapped it yet, so who knows. We were mapping it to this Walmart in Paris.
And then David called.
Yeah, Dave called. Maybe David and Mia will come down. Maybe Dave. Oh, it sounds like baby Tav is awake. Four. You get them? You get the goods? Did you get the goods, Dave? You got the goods?
It feels like mine.
Had to, I mean, this one still pees like she's pregnant, I swear. But we had to stop and take a pee break. I'm not gonna lie, I probably have to take a piss too, so.
You also have a little kid.
What did you say?
How many more minutes do we have?
45.
Like 45 minutes. We're not too far away.
Minutes, Grandma.
What is this, Malad?
Yes.
Malad. Made it to Idaho, seen the sign, Malad.
Hopefully we got
People
a
are
good
driving.
shot.
People are driving stupid, man. I'll pull the dash cam, maybe I'll get it. But this truck just cutting people off. he brand spanking new, huh? But yeah, people driving stupid out here, cutting people off. Crazy, man. Look, there's Peanut. The dude in the Airstream right there pulling out. That was the dude who got cut off. I talked to him. I was like, man, what are people thinking? 2 more minutes. And you would have been able to pass safely without risking everybody's life. Like, that dude had kids. I had kids. Like, man, he cut it close. I'll pull the dash cam and show you guys. Crazy. Be safe out there. 100 deadliest days on the road right now. So And it's because of idiots like that, right there. All right, we made it.
Woohoo! Can't wait.
Lava. We've never stayed at this one. We've always stayed at the West KOA.
But they sold that now.
I guess they sold the West KOA, but also the East was the only spot that had anything open. So check it out. This place is awesome. Kind of up in the air on if they're doing fireworks. Not sure. We've heard that they're not. We've heard that they are. So. What's up, Mike?
Huh?
This is nice. I like
Isn't it
it.
the same?
Nah, this one is the other one. We stayed at that one last time.
That one's on
Oh, you guys don't want me to start singing again.
How could you get?
What's your last name?
Smoush.
Okay.
You guys doing fireworks this year on the mountain? I've heard
Yeah.
both sides. They are?
Yeah,
Nice,
yeah,
all
yeah.
right. This is the first time we stayed at the East.
Oh, is it?
Oh, they don't even have the West anymore, huh?
Yeah, it's the same owners. They just dropped the KOA.
Oh, they dropped the
franchise,
KOA.
So, yeah,
Oh,
it's
okay.
still there. You can still stay there.
This one's way better, right? What do you think? Am I a pro? That was pretty smooth, huh?
First time.
Check out the waterfall. We got a waterfall at our spot. Look at that. We didn't look out our back window. Boom. This one's ours? Oh yeah, it's opposite side of hookups, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So our hookups are over here, so this is your guys's. You can both fit right here once I scoot over the truck. But I gotta drop the trailer first. What do you think about this spot, Micah?
It's nice.
It's nice, I like it. Little piece of heaven. Hey, how's it going, neighbors? What's up, y'all? So we got a little bored at camp, so we just decided to go for a walk, you know what I mean? Walking into town, maybe see if we can see Ralph, see what's up, walking along the river. Not too bad. Tessa, Micah, and Alexis stayed back at camp. I think Tessa's gonna find something to eat with baby Tav, but yeah, just going for a little walk. This bridge is cool.
Yeah, I like this bridge. I like that bridge. That's a cool bridge. That's a cool bridge, huh?
Here we go. No, hang on. You're gonna hurt your phone.
Woohoo! Baby Tav, look at me.
You got it. Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
Ooh.
Oh, quick, I should lie.
All right, everybody say cheese. Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh.
All right, say cheese. Say stinky feet. Stinky feet. Woo. Oh wait, I forgot to take the picture.
Oh my god.
There, hold her up. Go back, go back, go back. Why do we want a picture next to this anyways?
Because I want one.
You just want one? All right, say cheese.
And what Grandma wants?
All right.
Get.
I was recording the whole time, my bad.
I know.
Yeah, Dave, Peanut, you want to get in there?
He's taking a picture of
Oh,
you.
Peanut's taking a picture. Well, I'm taking a picture of me taking a. Yeah, it's a picture. It's picture inception.
Are you coming?
We made it. We found Ralph's truck, but no Ralph. Back to base. All right, we found Ralph, Mia, and Ralph's brother. They're down at one of the eateries. Pretty cool little walk, though. It's a good walk. These guys are dead. Hey, you guys still alive? You guys still alive? It's only a mile and a half, man. All right, this is chilling. You chilling, baby Tay?
Yeah.
All right, heading back to camp now. Go make sure Alexis, Mom, and Micah is still alive. Maybe make some food. You hungry?
Yeah.
Me too.
Night.
What? Who comes out at night?
We come out at night.
Freaks come out at night. Woo! Ah, baby Tay was making me run, but we made it back. There's the trailer. Oh, there's the trailer. What you doing, baby Tay?
Look like fun.
I'm watching the fire.
You like food.
Where you quit?
Rolando.
Where you quit?
Okay, so we're gonna go say happy birthday to Austin right now. Just be quiet. Shh.
Hurry up.
Hi,
Say, what are we doing, Tay?
Wow, happy.
We're singing happy birthday.
We're singing a happy birthday.
Say, what are we doing, Tay?
You're about to be grounded.
We're singing happy birthday.
We're singing a happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Axton. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
And many more.
Happy birthday, son.
Happy birthday, Ash.
What you wish for? You didn't wish for anything?
You're not supposed to tell.
They're still going, bro.
You're not supposed to tell. Write it down and then give it to
Oh,
them.
that one's still going.
Somebody likes to stay up all night when they're camping pooping.
Yes, I heard.
He's a little poop machine. All he was doing last night is pooping.
We went
So
to bed
it's
at
now
6.
Look at him, he's watching you.
10:32.
Smiling.
And we went to bed at what time? 5:45, 6 o'clock?
You're a trooper, man. I was at least like napping in and out, but.
Babe.
Baby Tay.
Where's Woody?
Oh.
Woody? I don't know. We'll find him here. Oh, Woody's in the house, I think. Woody's just in the house.
See if we can hit the river today. We're gonna rent some tubes, go down the river, then there pick you up, bring you back up. A little expensive last time I remember, but should be fun. See what we get into. It's now 11 o'clock. Chef Dave over here. Oh dear. Get in here, son.
Try to eat this.
Get out here, come eat some breakfast. Get out of your tent. Isn't there a hot box in there?
Yep, squirrel.
Hey, let me have some. Give me this.
No!
Give me this.
No!
That's Alexis's new concoction. She's been freezing. What is that called again? Gatorade. Axton knows what Gatorade is, huh? Number 9. Bobby Boucher? Huh, Bobby Boucher? His football number is number 9. Fun fact, number 9 is the same as Bobby Boucher, the water boy. Gatorade. Man, I just can't get over this spot. This is the spot.
Come on, Dad.
Whenever we camp here, this is the spot. Come on. Hey, you gonna show me? Here we go.
Probably heat it up a little bit more.
Making sure there ain't no poison ivy before I go down here. Axton's already traversed all of this, so he knows the way. This is cool, man.
This is juice bar.
Come on! Oh, do you have yourself a tour guide too?
Let's go take another shower now.
These, the 360 and Axton's GoPro is waterproof, so
Oh,
we're gonna leave this one. This one has the mic and stuff rigged to it, but let's hit it.
Let me go grab my chair.
Well, we came back to camp. Axton recorded some with his GoPro, but it's crazy over there, so. It's not a long walk. We walked it yesterday when we were looking for Ralph. We're gonna load the kids up in the wagon. We're gonna head down that way. But yeah, it's too crazy over there. There's like no parking. Definitely smarter to walk, I believe. There's a trail right over here that takes us all the way over there, and it's, yeah, this is the way to go. So we rented our tubes at the KOA. I feel like it was cheaper. We'll see once we get to Gator tubes. But it was like $150, I want to say, for a quad tube with the shuttle, so they drive you up and down the river. We're gonna have a blast though. This is Baby Tay's first time. Baby Tay, you excited to go down that river? All right, boo. Pick up the bag. You ready to grab this tube, baby? Oh yeah, you ready, son? You ready to hit this river? Yeah.
So we have
it. All right, got our bracelets. Baby, you first baby watch it. You want to go first? Let me know.
Will you help
how
me?
crazy it
Will you
is,
help
huh?
me?
Hey, Baby Tay, you need your life jacket on. Come on. Why? Man, it is busy out here.
You need to record it.
Oh yeah, yellow is your favorite color, huh? What color tube did we get, Baby Tay? Yellow, yellow, lucky fellow. Oh yeah.
Now remember, get in.
My ass fell in from there down to here.
You have
Here, hold this. Yeah, get in the butt seat.
She might go through it.
Here, get in.
Oh, hold on.
No, not like that. Put your butt in. Like grandma. Look at grandma. There you go.
Sit down. Sit down. Oh my God! Get in! They're not even in yet.
Come on, Dave!
I don't want to know. I'm gonna just hang on, okay? Okay. No! I don't want. Ah! 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 Here comes! Oh no! Stay in the hole.
Axton!
Stay in the hole.
Axton! Oh!
You're getting recorded just to let you know.
It's all good.
Hey, you should have hung on. He's like, Billy, you get to the waterfall. Here we were gonna go get you, Dad. Grandma. Go down, baby. Go. Don't let go, Micah. Micah. Oh, shit.
out for mom.
Oh!
Hey, mom! Mom, grandma! Hey! Hey! Mom!
Hey! Bring it
Hey, it's George Washington. Oh, Thomas Jefferson. Save yourself.
This is fun. It's fun. It's cute. Watch out!
Hey, we lost Peanut.
Oh, shit!
That was good. Crazy?
What do you think, Bailey? Oh, no, here we go again.
Look, baby Tay. Baby Tay, look. Look at me.
Oh, my God. That was cold. Oh, that's warm water.
This is warm water. Here we go. Here we go.
My God.
It feels good, baby Tay. It's hot out. Look, take it out of here, water. Take it out of here, water.
Look at all the water you have. Look at all the water.
Here, move. Hold this. Come here, baby Tay.
I have you.
Oh no! Jump back up.
Yeah, little one. And then we have to get out. Is it yours? I got it. Let me show it on that shoe. Phil.
You look up.
Oh my! Hey, here's the shoe. Sorry. Oh, warm water. Oh, that feels good. I don't care. Yeah, we might do that. Oh my God!
It's like the rattlesnake rapids, huh, baby Tay? It's low.
Oh no, because we already passed that.
Here, baby Tay, jump up here. Dad's gotta get out and pull us in.
Come here, baby.
Here, boo.
It's your turn. Hey, watch it.
No, you guys are all right. Just stay there.
What are you gonna do? Take us all the way up?
Yep. Look, you can reach.
Come on,
Ooh,
Boo.
that feels good, huh?
Boo. Come on.
Come on, boo.
Come on, baby. That's Daddy.
Today, when we take that?
No, I want your sister.
Baby Tay, was that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to do it again? No, what do you mean no? You want to go down with mom?
No.
We got to show mom.
Mama's gonna go. I'll take care of your brother.
Let's show mama. Let's
no,
do it.
Let's do
You want to show mom? Almost to the front of the line. Get the shuttle in.
Thank you, son.
For what?
This.
Did you get one for Tess?
Yeah, I already put it on her.
Should I slap? Oh.
You the man. Thank you, sir. Starting with.
I'm gonna sit on Wes's lap. That guy was sure.
Okay.
That's the only thing you can report.
Oh, there's the bowl.
Oh, I love this place. Let me go in.
So this place is awesome, but man, is it busy. I don't think I've ever seen it this busy. There's a lot of people. It's kind of crazy. Happy we got the shuttle though. That way we don't have to worry about driving in this madness.
Hey, Steve, you want to buy me that one? When they first brought them,
You gotta come look for 2 years.
I'll do that.
Trust me, I drove all over.
Hey, Mom!
Hey, you guys hot?
Hey, Mom! Say hi, Mom!
Hey, somebody shut that chihuahua up.
We're wondering if we can find a place.
All right, babe, you ready? Hit the river? Dad, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it, baby. Tay, you ready to show mama?
No!
I'm not ready. Okay.
Hey, I think they only have Dad and Gina. Go with them, son. That way you can record them too. Hey, brace yourself!
Oh my God. I got a bump on my head on that one.
We lost moment.
Come on, Mom. All right, you guys ready? Here, hold this thing.
Here, dude, I can push you.
I got it. Now, get your babe?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. The handle? Ah, there we go. What? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby Tay. You ready, baby Tay? Woo! I'm just gonna lay here and die. Hey, move your foot. Good night. Good night and farewell. Tomorrow with a 808 my God!
Woo! Good glasses.
Woo! Oh, oh. Just let me die.
Taylor caught them. Spot us.
Oh. Oh,
Hi guys. Oh.
Yeah, I love how Spring Ted be screaming like a woman today. Oh boy. And all the women around on their tubes are laughing their buns off.
There's a baby Tay. Say hi. Hi. All right, Ralph's got himself a spot down there. So their mom, grandma, and grandpa is gonna push baby Tavyn down the road. We're gonna take the rafts. Baby Tay, Alexis, Axton, and we're gonna see if we meet up with Rafa and Mia. I guess they have a spot down yonder at the end of the river. So. All right, back at camp. It's been 23 hours with the sous vide, the pulled pork. We're gonna go eat up at Ralph's. Do some asada.
Ooh, I got burnt a little bit. Oh.
You got a little red, woman. I think I got a little red too. Not too bad though.
No, not compared to the last couple of weeks.
But yeah, Ralph has a big old Airbnb. We're gonna go. They did asada, so we're just gonna have a big old feast and then maybe hit the hot pots for fireworks.
This cost us $4 and a trip to Centerville.
That's cute.
Baby boy's all decked out for his fourth.
First fourth right there, first fourth baby. We're on our way to Ralph's Airbnb. We got the pork pulled, go up there for some asada. We walked up there before. It's a pretty nice little Airbnb.
You said it's huge, right?
It's big, yeah. I thought we were late. It looks like Ralph's still trying to figure out the grill. That was good. Oh no, he's just finished. Yeah, this is nice, bro. I like this.
I know that. We've already been here. You remember we walked up here?
Where are we gonna go pay for?
Oh yeah, they have a hot tub.
That's what I'm saying. Where
Yesterday, weren't we? Nobody was home.
Huh?
Hold on.
Sit down, you have to really watch his neck, baby.
She knows, she knows.
Where do you want the fish?
No, not now.
We're walking far. We're walking to the steps.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah, I don't know why we don't just watch fireworks up here, bro. You want to hit those hot spots and watch fireworks? I think they're doing them right there.
Where are they doing them?
Right off this mountainside right over here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where's yours?
Oh my gosh, what are you doing in there, baby Tay?
Show them what they got.
What is it?
Mama got them.
Oh, they know about those things.
What's this?
Just waiting for the fireworks. Should be right over there.
What time does it start?
Your mom thinks like 10, 10:30ish.
I mean, all bars around the home are at 10, so. Do you want this?
Yes.
Is it
This?
warm?
Yes, I want this.
Did it have one?
Football!
You're so weird.
You're welcome, baby.
Actually, give me another one.
Oh, that was good timing.
Yep. We went down the river. Watch. Watch this. Watch this.
Do you want to try a bracelet?
I got one more.
I'll run around because I can't. I love you. I love you. I love the tank, yo.
Still out.
Axton, I need two. Hey,
Out like a light.
give me two. I'm gonna make baby.
All right, babe, you about ready to go back to camp?
Yeah.
19.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm enjoying it up here and enjoying missing all of that chaos there. But maybe when that dies down, we'll definitely head out.
That sounds good to me. All right, back at camp. Let's start a fire, watch a movie, babe.
Sounds good. I didn't bring the projector.
Is that bright enough?
Yeah.
Yeah, did it blind you a little bit?
No.
You didn't bring the projector?
No. It was on my to-do list and I totally forgot to grab it off the shelf.
Oh my.
Well, we can do a fire.
Yeah, let's start a fire.
We have s'mores.
Ooh, that sounds good for the kids.
Agreed.
Yeah.
No!
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
I like to start fires. What do you mean?
Go get in your tent. That's what you wanted to do. Go warm up your tent.
I don't care. Give me. I want to start a fire. I can warm my.
What time
Give me the lighter.
11.
I will wrestle you for the lighter.
Your mom, my money's on mom. So.
Yeah, your money's in the right place. I tapped out in 2 seconds because I would never hurt my mom. It's mine.
Oh, he's getting it. He's getting it.
You're down. You're getting it.
What'd you guys think about the fireworks?
Loved them. I think it was a lot better than the last time we were here.
Actually, I told her, because the last time the only thing I remember is the coming out from the mountain. I don't remember the other.
They did a little bit, but this one seemed.
This one
way
seemed
bigger.
better, yeah. All right, it's about 9:20 a.m. Checkout's at 11. We gotta get all this packed up. Peanut looks like the Walking Dead over there. But yep, get this loaded up, get back home. This Sunday, that was a fun little trip. Look, there's Baby Tay. Good morning, Baby Tay.
Hey, got them bright eyes. You must have slept
Good
good.
morning, Baby Tay.
You slept good, aren't you, Tay?
Okay, come on, Boo, get up.
All right, start getting this trailer.
Get up.
Back in the city where the lights stay wild. Bass hit heavy, got a club on top. Shorty too bad, got a dangerous smile. On the headline, maybe not just stop. Pull up, ain't no stress on me. Wrist on cold, neck like sea. Boys talk tough, but they fall on beat. I don't play fair, just play elite. Late night text like, where you at? Told her on the way, I move like that. No breaks, no cap, I'm built to last. She want one more round, told her bet for no sleep till sunrise.
Gotta do the fun part, the sewage. That's always fun.
Girl, you got that fire. So don't let go, just vibe with me. Hands on me like gravity.
So it's like a 2-hour drive back down home. This one wants to go Bear World, but I feel like that's an adventure for another day.
She a 10 in the face, got the soul I need. Talk sweet, but she don't play cheap.
I mean, Bear World would be a blast, don't get me wrong. Who knows? Maybe we'll go check it out. So the sewer line's way over there. The sewer port's way over there. So I think we're gonna wait, do this last minute. Hey.
What?
Will you weigh in on this? Mom wants to go Bear World. It's an hour and a half that way. Home is that way. Huh? Oh. No, you ain't down? Is that an adventure for another day? That's what I was thinking too. We'll see though. We'll see. You know, usually whatever mom gets, or whatever mom wants, mom gets. Whatever she gets as well. Hey, you want to go Bear World? Since we're here, baby. You brushing your teeth? That needs to brush his teeth too. I don't think you want to see that part. Oh, handsome little dude. Handsome little dude. All right, on our way home. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here, woman.
Let's get out.
Put that baby in his car seat. Let's get out of here.
Yes.
Hands on me like gravity. Let's get lost.
fix our flaps. Oh yeah, it's a shower. Alright, back at it. Still needs to pee like a pregnant woman.
The baby had to eat too.
So we're like 10 minutes outside of the gas station. And that little girl back there said her tummy hurts and needs to go potty, so we pulled over. I don't want to take the frontage road anyways. Get off the free. It's crazy out there, man. Like, people are cutting other people off and like everybody's in a rush to get home. I'm gonna take the slow way, you know what I mean, and enjoy the ride. That's how you know if you're in the middle of nowhere, is if you find a road sign with bullet holes in it.
No shit.
You know, people don't mess around out here.
No shit, huh? That's why you always carry.